Uh-huh. Yes, I do.
Hello, everyone. So good to see
Hola a
you.
todos.
So happy we're joining all together. Today is a very special day.
Hoy es un día especial.
This is the the English Bible camp.
Este es nuestro campamento de la Biblia en inglés.
And so many of us from so many places are joining together today.
Hoy vamos a divertirnos todos juntos.
We have American kids.
Vamos a tener American Kids.
We have Bolivia kids.
Vamos a tener los niños de Bolivia.
San Jose. San Jose children. If you're from Bolivia, can you say hi? Hello, Bolivia.
Si ustedes son de Bolivia, pueden decir
Say
hola.
hi.
Hola,
Welcome.
digan hola.
Wow, look at everyone from Bolivia. If you're from Los Angeles Church, can you say hello? American.
Si ustedes son los niños de Los Ángeles, pueden decir hola.
So good to see you. How about San Jose? Anyone from San Jose Church? Say hello, San Jose. Hello. Look at all the San Jose. We're going to have so much fun today. I'm so happy we can all gather together.
Un día muy divertido.
I'm so
Todos
happy
juntos.
we all gather together and join to have the English Bible camp.
Espero que puedan divertirse con el campamento de la Biblia en inglés.
We're going to have fun.
Vamos a estar muy divertidos.
Okay, so now we have so many things planned.
Ahora tenemos muchas cosas divertidas.
We don't have a lot of time, so let's start right away.
No tenemos mucho tiempo, entonces vamos a empezar ahora mismo.
Who likes to dance?
¿A quién le gusta bailar?
I like to dance. If you like to dance, put your hands in the air.
Bailar. Si a ustedes les gusta bailar, alcen la mano.
Yeah, we're going to dance together. We're going to do the cha-cha slide. Anyone else how?
Vamos a bailar juntos. Ahora vamos a bailar cha-cha-cha resbalón.
We're going to learn the cha-cha slide with teacher Toby.
Vamos a aprender cha-cha-cha resbalón con el profesor.
Let's call teacher Toby.
¿Están listos para bailar?
음소거가 돼 있습니다.
안 줬어? The cha-cha slide with you today. So,
hoy vamos a hacer la danza cha-cha-cha slide.
And stretch. Okay. So, let's go to the left side. Good.
Vamos a ir hacia el
right side. Reach.
Al otro lado.
Good. And now let's reach high to the sky. Good. And now let's do 6 jumping jacks. Okay? Ready?
Vamos
Go.
a hacer 6 saltos.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, good job. Now, let's watch the video of the cha-cha slide.
Ahora vamos a ver el video de cha-cha-cha resbalón.
We're gonna get funky, 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 funky. Everybody clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap your hands. All right, now, we're gonna do the basic step. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Cha-cha now, y'all. Now it's time to get funky. To the right now. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. One hop this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Crisscross. Cha-cha, real smooth. Let's go to work. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops this time. 2 hops this time. Right foot, 2 stumps. Left foot, 2 stumps. Hands on your knees, hands on your knees. Get funky with it. Oh, yeah. Come on. Cha-cha now, y'all. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 5 hops this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Right foot again. Left foot again. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Freeze! Everybody clap your hands. Come on, y'all. Check it out, y'all. How low can you go? Can you go down low? All the way to the floor? How low can you go? Can you bring it to the top? Like you never, never stop? Can you bring it to the top? 1 hop. Right foot now. Left foot now, y'all. Cha-cha, real smooth. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 1 hop this time. 1 hop this time. Reverse. Reverse. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Reverse, reverse. Reverse, reverse. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Cha-cha now, y'all. Cha-cha again. Turn it out. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 2 hops, 2 hops. 2 hops, 2 hops. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Charlie Brown. Hop it out now. Slide to the right. Slide to the left. Take it back now, y'all. Cha-cha now, y'all. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's learn the moves.
Ahora vamos a aprender el movimiento.
Okay, so first move is clap your hands.
El
Good.
primer movimiento
Next
es
is to the left.